Good morning, guys. Today we are going to see exercise 3.1, problem number 10. Here conditions are: if cot theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to 4m and cot theta into 1 minus sin theta equal to 4n. To prove m square minus n square whole square equal to mn. Okay, here we have to prove this statement. By this, if you want to prove this statement, we know m value and we should know m value and n value. So here I am going to find out m value and n value from the given data, from these two data. So here first I am going to find out m value from this. How can we find out? So m equal to cot theta into 1 plus sin theta whole divided by 4, because m is multiplication here. When you bring this other side, it will be division, and n value can be derived from this statement: n equal to cot theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 4. Now we got m and n value. Now directly I am going to apply m and n value in LHS side and RHS side. First I am just taking RHS side. We can go for LHS side also. Here I am going to take RHS side first. M into n. What is m value? Cot theta into 1 plus sin theta whole divided by 4 into n theta. N value is cot theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 4. Just multiply these two terms. Cot into cot square theta into 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by denominators 4 into 4, 16. Now cot square theta into, look at this is a plus b, a minus b, no? The form of a plus b in the a minus b. Formula: a square minus b square. 1 square as it is 1 minus b square is sin square theta whole divided by 16. Still we have a simplification. 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta. So this can be written as cos square theta. So this will be cot square theta into cos square theta divided by 16. Take it as a 1. So here we don't have any simplification further. We can go for the right hand side. Right hand side is m square m square minus n square. First I am going to find out m square minus n square. This can be written as m plus n into m minus m plus n into m minus n. M plus n. What is m? Cot theta into 1 plus sin theta divided by 4 plus cot theta into 1 minus sin theta by 4. So this is first term. Next into second term m minus n. So that is second term cot theta into 1 plus sin theta by 4 minus cot theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 4. So now in this we are going to add this 2. Here in this, before the adding, we can see here cot theta by 4, cot theta by 4. Can we take commonly outside? Yes, we can take. The first term, if you take cot theta by 4 commonly outside, remaining 1 plus sin theta from this term plus 1 minus sin theta from second term, sin theta. In second term, here also we can take cot theta by 4, cot theta by 4 commonly outside, cot theta by 4 into 1 plus sin theta from first term. The second term 1 minus sin theta, here minus is there, so this will be minus, this will be plus. So it will be minus 1 plus sin theta. So after that cot theta by 4. So here look at this, sin theta and minus sin theta will be cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2 into cot theta by 4. Here 1 minus 1 will be cancelled into 2 sin theta. Next, we can have a cancellations. Here we can have a cancellation 2 cot into cot, cot square theta into sin theta by 4. 2 into 2, 4. Actually we have found only m square minus n square. But what is LHS side? LHS side. LHS side is m square minus n square whole square. So we are going to squaring this value. So m square minus n square whole square. If you squaring this one, cot power 4 theta into sin square theta by 4 square is 16. Next, cot power 4 can be written as cos power 4 theta by sin power 4 theta into sin square theta whole divided by 16. So here sin square theta will be cancelled. We have cancellation here, 2 sin theta will be cancelled, remaining 2 sin square theta will be there. So this can be written as cos power 4 theta by 16 sin square theta. So this can be written as cos square theta by sin square theta into, here I am just splitting the power here, cos power 4 instead of cos power 4, I just written cos square theta into cos square theta by 16, I am keeping it here itself. Because if you see equation 1, we have to bring like equation 1, so that I am doing all these things here. So here cos square theta by sin square theta will be cot square theta into cos square theta whole divided by 16. So this is 2 by, from 1 and 2 we can say LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. So by this we can complete the problem number 10. Next, problem number 11. Problem number 11, the given conditions: cosecant theta minus sin theta equal to a cube, and secant theta minus cos theta equal to b cube. Prove that a square b square into a square plus b square equal to 1. So here look at this proof: a square b square into a square plus b square equal to 1. This is what we have to prove, but conditions are given in the a cube value, b cube value. So if you want to take LHS side, only we can apply the value for a square and b square, but here given a cube and b cube. From the given information, first I am going to find out a. From a cube, I am going to find out the a value first. So a cube equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta. First I am just simplify the given in terms of sin and cos. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Cross multiply 1 by 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. Just LCM. We know that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by identity. 1 minus sin square theta is a cos square theta by sin theta. Next, I just want to remove this 3. I mean the power 3 supposed to be comes the other side, because I need only a. So this is power 3. If you take to other side, it will be cube root. It will be cube root of other side. A equal to cube root of cos square theta by sin theta. So I don't want to this radical sign. I am just writing, instead of cube root, this symbol can be write 2 by 3 theta by sin 1 by 3. This is both are same. Instead of cube root, we can write cos power 2 by 3, because here 2 already, here power 2 is there, so it is 2 by 3. Here no, there is no power, so 1 by 3. So this is cube root. Okay. After that, now we got a value, but here we have to apply a square value. So after finding a value, we have to find out a square value. So if you squaring both sides, squaring on both sides, what will happen? Squaring on both sides, cos power multiply 2 with power 4 by 3 theta by here sin 2 by 3 theta. So this is a square value. Next, we have to find out b square value. Before that, b value as like what we found a value. So b cube equal to secant theta minus cos theta. Here also I am going to change in terms of sin and cos. To simplify this, 1 by cos theta minus cos theta, just cross multiply 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Same like that, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta by identity. 1 minus cos square theta can be written as sin square theta by cos theta. This is b cube value. I told you already, we have done here, no? So from a cube, I just take cube root of the right hand side, because we need only b value. So cube root will be, sorry, power 3 will be cube root of the other side. So this will be cube root of sin square by. So when you remove this radical sign, it will be 2 by 3 theta by cos 1 by 3 theta. So this is B value, but I need what? B square value. So I am going to find out the B square value. So B square equal to, I am going to squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. This multiply 2 with the degree 4 by 3 theta by cos 2 by 3 theta. So this is value of B square. So next we have to find out the left hand side value, sorry, we have to prove the left hand side equal to right hand side. Now because we got the value of A square and B square, if you apply the values here, definitely we will get right hand side value. So here I am going to apply, I am going to take LHS side and apply the values for LHS equal to A square B square into A square plus B square equal to, what is A square? Cos power 4 by 3 theta by sin power 2 by 3 theta into B square is 2 power, sorry, sin power 4 by 3 theta by cos power 2 by 3 theta into A square plus B square. Cos power 4 by 3 theta divided by sin 2 by 3 plus sin 4 by 3 theta divided by cos 2 by 3 theta. So after applying the values in the LHS side, just carefully do the calculation because we have a powers in the fraction mode. So we have to be very careful when you do this simplification here. You just keep it as it is, theta by into sin 4 by 3 theta whole divided by just sin 2 by 3 theta cos 2 by 3 theta. Just cross multiply to take LCM here. Here LCM is sin 2 by 3 theta cos 2 by 3 theta. Here if you cross multiply this will be cross multiply cos into cos, power supposed to be added. So when you add the powers, cos into power should be added. Here 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, it is 6 by 3 theta plus same like that. Sin power 2 by 3 theta into sin power 4 by 3 theta. The power should be added. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 4 by 3 is also 6 by 3. Just multiply this to cos power 4 by 3 theta sin power 4 by 3 theta divided by, when you multiply sin into sin power should be added, it is 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 4 by 3 theta cos into cos powers 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 4 by 3 theta into, this is cos, we can cancel here, 6 by 3 can be cancelled. So one time, 2 times this cos square theta plus same here it is 2 sin square theta. So here this will be cancelled, cos square theta plus sin square theta, we know that identity is 1 equal to RHS side. So we are getting RHS side by using LHS side. So by this we can say hence proved. So question number 11 is over. Next question number 12. So informations are A secant theta minus C tan theta equal to B, and B secant theta D tan theta equal to C. Eliminate theta from these two equations. Here we have given two equations. They are asking to find out the theta value. To eliminate theta value, I mean here I am going to eliminate this secant theta and tan theta. So elimination method I am going to use here. Since we have secant and tan, we cannot directly eliminate by algebraic equations. Here I am going to comparing these two equations first. By comparing two equations, we can easily eliminate the equations. Here I am going to, before comparing, just I am bringing this right hand side value to this side. So this will be A secant theta minus C tan theta minus B equal to 0, B secant theta plus D tan theta minus C equal to 0. So by these two equations I am going to compare this. First comparing secant theta. So when you compare secant theta, we have to hide this, we have to take these four values. Modulus minus C minus B plus D minus C modulus. So next equal to minus tan theta, I am going to compare. Hide this and take the coefficient of take the value of here and this one and this one and this one. A minus B, B minus C. Next constant terms 1 by, hide this, we have to take A minus C, B, D. A minus C, B, D. So already we have studied this type of elimination method in the 10th standard. So it is not new one, already we know this. Okay. So here, secant theta by cross multiply. I am going to cross multiply this. You know how to take modulus value. Just cross multiply these two terms, minus into minus plus C into C, C square minus of multiplication of these two terms. D into minus B minus BD, already here minus, so it will be plus BD equal to minus tan theta by, here same like that, cross multiply these two terms, it is minus AC minus of these two terms, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus B square, here one minus, it will become plus B square equal to 1 into the same thing, cross multiply AD minus B into minus C minus BC, here 1 minus, so plus BC. Now I am going to compare each one. So here I am going to find out the secant theta value and the tan theta value separately. So secant theta equal to, because all the terms, all the three terms are equal, so any two terms we can take and find out the secant. C square plus BD equal to 1 by AD plus BC. If I carry this side, it is multiplication, secant theta equal to C square plus BD by AD plus BC. So this is secant value. Next two terms, minus tan theta by minus AC plus B square equal to 1 by AD plus BC. Cross multiply. So here itself you can cancel the minus. Before bringing this denominator, minus tan theta equal to, if you take minus commonly outside, AC minus B square, because we have to cancel this minus sign. So I am taking minus commonly outside in this denominator. If you take minus commonly outside, AC will become positive, plus B square will become negative. So this one cancel, 1 by AD plus BC. Now just take it this side, tan theta equal to AC minus B square by AD plus BC. This is the value for tan theta. Next, so here our aim is to eliminate theta. Here answer supposed to be only the values not in the theta value. So if not, theta will not get a secant value under secant and tan. Without theta we cannot write a secant and tan. So everything will be eliminated. After finding secant value under tan value, I am going to use the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. If you apply this identity, automatically the theta value will be eliminated. So I am going to apply this values because we already found the value of secant and tan. Here secant is c square plus bd by AD plus BC whole square minus tan value AC minus B square by AD plus BC whole square equal to 1. Now square, bring the power inside, C square BD whole square by AD plus BC whole square plus, sorry, it is minus AC minus B square whole square by AD plus BC whole square equal to 1. Here look at that, we have a common denominators here. This is this and this, both are same denominator. So we can take AD plus BC whole square, C square plus BD whole square minus AC minus B square whole square equal to 1. Carry this denominator to this side. C square plus BD whole square minus AC minus B square whole square equal to, so AD plus BC whole square. This is the answer. You don't need to expand this power 2 here, just keep it as it is. Here look at this answer, here there is no theta value. So we have eliminated the theta value by using this method. So by this, look at the answer, we have no theta value in the answer, we have eliminated the theta. So this is the answer for this question. So by this we have completed exercise 3.1. Next exercise we will see in the next class. Thank you.